Profile pictures are one of the most important things in someone's account, so here are 3 methods that will get you the best ones. For the first method, you want to open your browser and search for a brand mark. Use the link from the description. This is legit the best AI brand logo maker. Even though it's mostly text with some cool design, you just have to deal with it. Just kidding, I saved the best method for last, so make sure to keep watching till the end. Anyways, while you're here, you want to press on the big button that says create my logo. Once the new site will open, you'll just need to add a name and the brand slogan, which is optional. It obviously has to be your brand name, so don't put your real name. Right, so after you put your business name, Microsoft in my case, you're ready to go to the next page, so press the only big button on the screen. On this new page, you want to enter some keywords so you can tell the AI what to make for you. It's mostly those like little designs they choose for you, like the small YouTube logo or a camera instead of a letter. In this case, I'm going to add PCs, business and Bill Gates because he's the man. After you press the button again, you'll see some weird color things, which you'll have to select for this to work. Honestly, it doesn't really matter, so just choose whatever you like. I went for the first one because it didn't really matter. So now it's time to press on create my logo and check out what they have ready for you. It's simple and pretty cool even though it's not the best. This next method will be extremely interesting though, so let's go to the second method, which is using OpenAI to design a special profile picture. This is made by the creators of ChatGPT, which help many financial and very influential YouTubers teach you how to become the next Elon Musk. Anyways, to this you want to open your browser and search for OpenAI Image Creator, which will show you a link to OpenAI. There you will see a button in the top right corner that says sign up. That's right, you need to make an account to access this. Right, so after that is done, you'll see some boring stuff pop up on the screen, informing you that you have 50 credits. For a profile picture, you can write anything you want, and it will make something cool. In my case, I made Bill Gates a nice profile picture, and another one for this video's theme. As you can see, the results are pretty weird, but I can guess if you actually put a pretty long description, you will get something really good looking. You can even make gaming characters, NFTs, and 3D models. If this wasn't good enough, we can finally move to the third method, which is honestly the best. I will teach you how to manually make the perfect profile picture on mobile and on PC. For a mobile version, you will need to download an app. There are many good ones, but for this tutorial, we'll use picsart. Once you open it, you'll see a lot of random stuff, so just create an account and make sure you click on that X when it asks you to pay. Right, so now you want to open Google and search for a gradient background. There are a ton of options, so just pick whatever you like. While you're still in the browser, make sure to also look for a circle shaped PNG. Now, when we go back to our project in the picsart, we can add both photos. This profile picture is as simple as setting the gradient as the background and adding the circle. Once both are there, you want to select the text tool and to add a letter or a word. I haven't tried using a word, so you have to just see. After that is done, just choose a font you like. There are honestly so many, so I'll just show you the ones I think they are the best. In the end, you have something good looking and ready to be used as a profile picture. If this isn't good enough for you, the PC version might be even better. So to this, you want to search for a website called Photopea. This is basically the same thing as Photoshop, so it won't be hard to create something good. The thing you want to do is make a new project where you will set both width and height to 500. After that, make sure your background is set to transparent. Once you hit create, you will see everything open up and there's a transparent image in the middle. If it's too far away, you can zoom in by pressing Z or pressing on the magnifying glass and tapping on the screen. If you want to zoom out, you can just select the minus button in the top left corner. You want to make a background manually, you can just press on the gradient button and create something with your preferred colors, or just find something really special and good on Google. There are so many options to choose from, so it would be impossible for you to not find something you like. You can also try to use a garage background or a radial one. If you got a background from Google, which I highly recommend you do, you want to just find the file in your computer and drag it in Photopea. If it didn't fill up the screen, you can just drag out the points in the corner and make it fit the whole screen. Right now, if that's all done, you can begin working on our cool design. The first thing that you want to do is look for the shapes in the left bottom corner and click on the button. Once you do that, you will be able to see more shapes, ellipse being the one we will use. To make the circle, all you want to do is hold the shift button and begin dragging the shape, making it a circle. Once you let go on your perfect circle, you'll see that it looks absolutely awful. To make it a simple circle, you want to go to the top left, where you'll find a fill drop down button showing the color. All you want to do is click on it and try to find a big X in a white filled box. If you put your mouse on it, you should be able to see it saying none. After you click on it, you'll see the circle disappear, but don't worry, it's completely normal and no, you didn't mess this up. To get the outline of the circle, you want to look around the box after the fill one and click on the first color you see. No, I don't mean a transparent one. Once you click on it, you'll see many more appear. On the new artist palette that appear, you want to select the white one, which will magically give you an outline. After that, you want to make the stroke bigger, so around 16 looks good. If the circle is stuck to some place on the screen, which is not the middle, you want to go to the edit drop down button in the top left corner and select free transform, which will show a box around the shape. Once it appears, you want to drag the circle in the middle, showing the two purple lines in the middle. Those aren't obviously invisible and do not affect your profile picture. If you don't think it's big enough, you can hold Alt and try to make the shape bigger or smaller. To make your circle even cooler, you can right click on the shape in the layers tab, which is located in the right side, and select blending options. Man, I bet this feels weird to someone that is new to this and can barely follow my tutorial. Right, once the new page opens, you want to select outer glow and make the color black. Set the opacity to 100 and change the mode to normal. You might want to adjust the spread to make it look bigger and better. Right, so now we're ready to move on to the text part, which is pretty easy. The first thing you want to do is select the text tool, which is located in the bar from the left side. Honestly, I think you can know which one it is because it's pretty obvious. You want to click on anywhere on the screen, but I for sure recommend you put it in the middle. I hope you didn't just put the text to some invisible place in a random corner, because if you did that, it's on you to fix. Just kidding, you can go to the layer thing and delete it. Right, so now you want to change the size to something like 100, because you want to see the letter or the word while you write it and not destroy your eyes. Once you wrote the thing, you want to hold Alt and drag the corners. Again, if you can't see the corners, just go to the top left where the button called Edit is located and you can press Free Transform. After that, you want to change your font, which is located in the top left. Just find something you like from all those options. Once you fix the circle, you can open blending settings and select outer glow again. You might have saved it from the shape, but if you didn't, just copy the settings for the glow. If you finish all the steps, you should have the absolute coolest profile picture. You might as well just call yourself Bob Ross because of this. In the end, you want to go to the top left corner and select the file drop down button, where you will find the export thing. All you want to do here is change the name of the file and place it in your computer. I hope you actually like the thing you made. You've been able to modify this tutorial to whatever you like, so just consider it as some help to learn how to make a good basic profile picture. In the end, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know if I should make more videos like this one. Anyways, this was Amex and I wish you the best of luck. Peace.